All right, so you are playing a game of rolling dice, so two of them. Another person is playing a game of flipping a coin 4 times in a row. Who has the higher probability of winning? You rolling a die and receiving 2 of the same kind, or the other person flipping the coins and obtaining 4 heads in a row. So I guess you're rolling dice here, not just one, because it says you have 2 of them. Okay, so show the probability of both and then compare. So we have 2 kind of probability problems within here. So I have 2. All right, so 2 die. So here's 1. Let's replicate it. All right, so here's another one. I'm assuming we have the standard die, so the 6-sided ones. And here we're supposed to be rolling 2 of the same kind. So now when you roll, what you have is there's many different combinations that can happen, right? You can roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6 on one, okay, of the die. And then you can roll again, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, okay, on the second one. And here's all your combinations. It can be a 1-1, it can be a 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, okay, so on and so on. So this is, okay, how many different combinations you have. So in total, okay, you can see that we have really 36 combinations, okay, because you have 6 combinations on this one and then 6, okay, so we have 36 combinations in total. Now, if you are going to roll and if you're expecting to roll 2 of the same kind, so really, 2 of the same kind is either a 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, a 3 and a 3, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 5, and then a 6 and a 6. So there's really just 6 of these particular combinations that you can have, but it's 6 out of 36. So that means that our probability of obtaining, okay, 2 of the same is basically 6 out of 36, or simply just 1/6, okay, in general. Now, of course, we can change that into a percent if we'd like to, all right? So, you can take 1 divided by 6, although some of you, if you've done this enough times, you probably will remember that it's 0.16666. Okay, so that's around 16.6%. All right. That's the probability of the first one. Now, the second one is you're going to take a coin and you're going to flip it and then seeing if it's going to give you, all right, so 4 heads in a row. 4 heads in a row, all right, is not easy to obtain. So if you have, so here's 1 flip. And let's cheat here and duplicate it a few times. So we have to duplicate it, I guess, because it's 4 flips. And now we want all of them to be heads. So if you want all of them to be heads, so you have a chance of, okay, a half on the first one. Then you have a chance of 1/2 on the second, and chance of 1/2 on the third, and then chance of 1/2 again on the last one. Now we multiply them. They're independent of each other, so we can do that, and you're going to get 1 over, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So you can already see, all right, so that this one, all right, and then 1 over 6, yeah, you can see which one gives you a better chance. So it's easier for you to try to roll the die and then get 2 of the same kind than it is to try to roll or flip a coin 4 times and then get heads on all of them. So, if you're a betting person, you probably should bet on this, okay, instead of this, if these were going head to head with each other. Now, you can still turn this back into percent, okay, if you wanted to. I mean, it's unnecessary because I think you can see that 1 over 6 is bigger than 1 over 16, but just in case, all right, just to show you, so this is only 6.25%. So clearly 16.6% is a better chance. And that completes the question. Thanks for watching. See you in a future video.